Whether you're celebrating a birthday, a graduation, anniversary, or any special kind of occasion, this money bouquet is a perfect way to give a gift that is both creative and thoughtful. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful, unique money bouquet gift. So let's dive in and start crafting this stunning, one-of-a-kind gift together. To make money bouquet, of course, we'll be needing our cash gift. So here is 50,000 naira worth of cash in 500 naira notes. I'll be making use of my sellotape cutter. I have skewer here. Some people call it bamboo stick, whichever name you want to address it with. I have my foam, or you call this oasis. So any name that suits you most is perfect for this. And then I'll be using this flower wrap, but I don't know if this flower wrap will be perfect for what I actually want to do, so I might likely change. But then this is my flower wrap. I'll be making use of a single rose flower for this bouquet, so you can decide not to use. Single rose flower is just optional. So to begin with the process of making this money bouquet, I'll be using my skewer bamboo stick. And while you're using this, always remember to use this blunt part and not the parts that have the sharp edge that looks like toothpick. So bring out your transparent sellotape from your sellotape cutter. Always remember to place at the blunt part, not the part that looks like toothpick. This is an important information for you to note down, because it's not nice after making your whole money bouquet with the parts that look like toothpick, and when you're about to insert into your oasis, then you notice that it's not going to work, because definitely that will be creating a hole to your oasis. Now I want you to look at the process I'm using to wrap up this money bouquet. You definitely have to pay attention to the whole process. Okay, now I've done like about 2 pieces of this money. Let me gently put you through on how I achieved this. Look at this again. I had to place my sellotape to the blunt area, then placed it close to that circle around this 500. Now you can see this, right? Now look at the way I have folded it. You can decide to fold it this way depending on the design you're doing, but no, this is not the design we are doing. But I just want to show you how you can do those other type of money bouquet designs and all that. So this is not what we are doing for this. So I had to do this illustration just to show you that this is a total different thing from the previous 2 money I wrapped. So you can decide to do it, I mean, with that butterfly design, or you just do it this way. So as you're doing it, you just make sure that it's not giving you that 2 points. So this is the design I'm working with for this money bouquet. Now I am done with fixing all this money to a skewer. The next step I'll be doing is to be installing it. For the sake of this video, I made use of a single rose flower, so you can decide to use 2, 3, 4 extra rose flower. You know those kind of flower bouquet pictures that you see like 4 rose flower on a bouquet. So that is possible, but for this video I am making use of a single rose flower. The next thing I'll be doing is to insert this single rose flower to the middle of my oasis. Remember, insert it to the middle of your oasis and make sure that this is straight. Then you start inserting your whole money to the oasis. As you're placing this money close to this rose flower, make sure this goes round this rose flower. You understand? So now see the way I'm doing my own. I am placing it according to, or should I say, just around this rose flower. Guys, you see here, one thing with my video is that once you calm down and watch my video and listen to all I have to say, then try and practice. Definitely, you will never fail. You will definitely get this right just at your first trial. So guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. This channel is the real deal for you. If you're a baker, upcoming baker, housewife, you want to learn things for yourself, things about kitchen, things about DIY, this channel is for you. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be among the first to be notified when I post a new video. And don't forget to tap on the like button because this encourages me to always post tutorial teaching you new things that you want to know. This is what it looks like after I have arranged all this money close to this flower. So let's call this the first stage. The next step we're going to do is to continue doing the same thing we did earlier, which is now doing it the second time. We'll have to do it the third time, fourth time, till when you're done with all your money. And when you're doing this, you have to make sure that your money is not too tight and is not clustering to one another. When you're doing this whole process, don't rush it. Just take it one step at a time. Since you're learning how to make this money bouquet, I know you also want to learn how to make money tower. I have a video on my channel where I taught you how to make money tower and it will come out so nice. I have other DIY videos on my channel too, so do well to subscribe and watch other videos I have because they are all interesting and you come back to watch more tutorials. Just continue doing this process until you're done filling all of these to your oasis, just like you're seeing here. I am done fixing all of them to my oasis. So what's the next step? The next step is to use a flower wrap on it. So remember I told you at the beginning of this video that I wasn't sure if I'm going to use this channel flower wrap. So right now I'm having a double thought if it is to use the channel flower wrap or if it is to use the geo flower wrap. But anyway, tell me which one would you prefer. Later I had the second thought of using the geo flower wrap. And the next step I'll be doing is to be cutting this into two. This is how it comes. So I'll just have to cut it into two and start with the arrangement. But then I know you're wondering, why do I have to do away with the paint channel design flower wrap? Well, the person I'm trying to give this to, she is a red lover. Like she loves everything that have to do with red and she loves deal as well. So that is why I had to then have a second thought of using this flower wrap instead of using the other one. Not like she will not like it, but I'll have to attach a picture or a video of what that pink one looks after making use of it. But guys, tell me under the comment section, which one would you prefer? Would you prefer the duo design or the channel design? Did you see that? Did you see how I just wrapped that one? Okay, now take a look at it again and make sure you observe the way I am placing and arranging my flower wrap. Now I am done folding all of these flower. What I'll have to do is to use my hot glue gun. I've already melted. So now pour some glue on the flower wrap and place it on my oasis. People will decide to use sellotape to gum these to their oasis depending on how you want it. But for me to be on the safer side of redoing whatever I've done before, I just use my hot glue gun that I've already melted to do my job.